Well, guys, we got the pilchards, and they're biting here, and some minnows too. Yeah. Let's get one. Let's see how fast they bite. Ah. Yeah. Something has to bite that. Let's see. Let's see what they do. Yeah, it is right up. Let's get one of these pilchards. We caught him with the cast net, my new cast net. Look, I'll show you guys right now. Oh, nice pilchard. Look at that. This one will probably get us a big one. If we could find that one. But yeah, this is the new net. It's a quarter net, so smaller like minnows and pilchards actually fit into it. So yeah, let's throw it. He's gonna be active in the water. Let's throw it. Let's see what bites. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's a pretty big pilchard. I mean, like, if something's gonna bite it, it has to be something big. Because it's not a small boy. We're following him. Oh, what a blow up. Damn, he crushed that. Oh, it was a barrel. Look at the barrel. Right there. That's the barrel. That's a barracuda. Yeah, he's active. The barrel is back. Are we gonna catch the barracuda? I mean, like, it would be pretty good if we did. I need to see that water. Oh, this is the one that's gonna get him eaten, crushed by a barracuda. Ah, stop. Stay calm, lad. Okay, let's see if he gets rushed. Bye, bear. Well, there's a lot of people here. That's not only bad thing of this spot. There is a lot of people. So let's just leave him here. Let him swim. Very lively. But I gotta wait until these people go. Come on.
Hey, you go outside, right off those rocks over there in the corner, just on the inlet.
Yeah?
Kind of where that is, but over in this area.
Yeah?
Great fish.
Yeah, I know, I fished there. This morning I was but nothing bit. So we just came here. We caught some pilchards, and then here there's like mangrove snappers biting here. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Let's throw it. Let him swim. He's probably gonna get crushed. Oh, they took a bite at it. Yeah, he's getting crushed. Oh, fish on. Skuma. No, papá, eso es un pargo. Sí. I think it's a lane snapper. I think it's dead. They crushed it too much. But yeah. But yeah, well, we'll see when they bite. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Oh, that's it. Oh, they're biting, they're munching. At some point, look how they're following him. Oh, no, I had him, bro. He got crushed. Yeah, guys, they're biting. They're munching. Oh, that's it. They're little babies, though. Oh, that's it. I got one fish on. That's it. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
What's the yellow one?
It's a lane snapper.
Are you going to release these fish?
Yeah, they're a bit small.
How do you want us to let it go?
Check out the hook. Ah. Right there. That's it. Let's let him go.
Whoa! Whoa! That's cool! That's cool!
They're crushing it. They're crushing. Oh, guys, let's put on. See? Let's put another one. Let's see. We're definitely gonna get a bite. Maybe a barrel, maybe. I hope the barrel comes out and munches it, crushes it. I hope. Yeah, no. Let's reload that. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, the barrel. The barracuda is hungry, baby. The barracuda is hungry. Guys, the barrel is hungry. He just got my pilchard. I don't know how he did. But we're gonna catch him, baby. We're gonna catch that. Nice little pilchard. We're gonna hug him. That's it. That's it, baby. Come on, we're gonna catch him. Trust me on this one. We're going with that barracuda. We're leaving with him. Huh? Well, right now, some snapper. But I see a barracuda there. Yeah, right here. So it could bite. Oh, that's it. This one. They're a little small. I'm fishing with like little small pilchards, but live, and those are pretty good. So yeah. Oh, this one's gonna get crushed too. He's lively, boy. Yeah, he's good. He's gonna get crushed. Oh, that's it. Yeah, since they're small, they don't want to bite it. I mean, they don't finish it. Ah, he took it. Oh, I still got it? Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I got it. I got another one. Another one. A little bit small, though. A little bit on the small side. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, fish on. Good bite. Don't be shy. I'm gonna get a whole time. Oh, look. Oh, it's getting crushed. Ooh, but I had it. Oh, I do, I got it. I do. This is mom. Ah! Finally.
Oh, fish!
Yeah. A little small.
Hey, now you gotta hook them in the back and go to the other side.
Nah, it's a snapper. I can't, you can't use them as bait.
Oh, alright.
Thanks. It's a bit small. Fish on. Off camera, they just bit me. Off camera, they bit me, so let's try again. You gotta be patient. Oh. Something bit it. I'm gonna try it again there. I think we're about to get one. Come on, we're gonna get one. Oh guys, let's put it in the